Today, let's study about one more important theorem on similarity of triangles, that is Thales theorem. Thales is a Greek mathematician and a teacher of Pythagoras. Now, let's study about, let's prove the Thales theorem. The statement of the Thales theorem is that if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle which intersects the other two sides at distinct points, divides the two sides in a same ratio. Here, as per this, here is a triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Data is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC and intersects AB at D and AC at E. That's what data is. Then what want to prove? We want to prove that this line DE divides AB and AC in a same ratio, that is to prove, that is AD by BD, that is equal to AE by CE. This is what we want to prove. In order to prove, we want to make a small construction. That is, BE and CD are joined. BE and CD are joined. DM perpendicular to AB and EN perpendicular to DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB are drawn. That is, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB are drawn, and BE and CD are joined. This is what the construction. Now, we are moving into the step proof. Triangle ADE by triangle DBE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. Area of triangle ADE and area of triangle DBE. That is equal to, as we know, the area of triangle is found out by using the formula half into base into height. Here the base is AD and the height is NE. That's equal to half into AD into height NE. NE. Then area of triangle DB, here the base is DB and height is NE. That is half into BD into NE. NE get cancelled, half of get cancelled. Then there remains AD by BD. So let's call it as equation 1. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE, that is equal to half into base into height, half into AD into NE, half into BD into NE, half of get cancelled, NE cancelled, and there remains AD by BD. So similarly, now let's move to this side, that is area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle ADE. Here now we want to consider AE as the base. Understand? For this triangle DEC, we consider EC as the base. That's equal to half into base is AE by DM. That is equal to half into CE into DM. Here half of DM get cancelled. Then there remains AE by CE. Let's call it as equation 2. Now I hope you have understood. First we want to consider this side, triangle AD, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. That is half into base is AD and height is NE, and for triangle DBE base is BD and height is NE. Similarly like this. Here the triangle DBE and triangle DEC, they stand on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So their areas are equal. Triangle BDE, triangle BDE and triangle DEC stands on same base DE and between same parallels DE and BC. So in the in the 9th standard we have studied that two triangles having the same base and between the same parallels, they are equal in area. Here triangle BD and triangle DEC, they have the same base DE and between the same parallels D and BC. So the areas of these two triangles are equal. So that implies area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. So let's call it as 3. Let's call it as 3. So as these two areas are equal, therefore, so that implies, so from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, we can conclude that AD by BD, that is equal to AE by CE. So that's what the required result is. So once again, I will explain the theorem. So proof of the Thales theorem. The statement of Thales theorem is that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle which intersects other two sides at distinct points, divides the other two sides in a same ratio. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel BC and intersects AB at D and AC at E. To prove, what we want to prove? AD by BD, that is equal to AE by CE. Here BE and CD are joined, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB are drawn. So this construction is a very important part. Now let's take the ratio of triangle, area of triangle AD and triangle DBE or BDE. That is in this triangle. So if AD is the base and EN is the height, therefore half into base into height, half into AD into NE. So similarly for DBE, so half into, here base is BD and height is NE, as it is an obtuse angle triangle. So the height of the triangle lies outside of the triangle. Similarly, the ratio of area of triangle ADE by triangle DEC, that gives AE by C. Let's call this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Here triangle BDE and triangle DEC, they stand on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So in the previous class, we have studied that two triangles having the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we can write AD by BD, that is equal to AE by C. So it is one of the important theorem for NCERT and CBSE exams. If you have any doubts regarding this theorem, you can comment on this, and if you like this, like this channel, share and comment. Thank you.